Let me be blunt. If you're trading XRP in 2025 and you're still losing money, it's not because of the SEC. It's not because of the whales. It's because you're doing something wrong, consistently. And in this video, I'm going to show you what that is and how to fix it. If you don't, you'll keep burning your capital, trade after trade. But if you do, this could be the beginning of your most profitable crypto year yet. Section 1. The real reason most XRP traders lose. Let's get something straight. XRP isn't like most coins. It doesn't move with hype. It moves with macro pressure, regulatory headlines, and whale timing. And yet, US traders keep applying meme coin tactics to a utility coin. That's mistake number 1. Let me show you the top 3 killers of XRP portfolios. Mistake 1. Trading XRP like it's a meme coin. XRP isn't Dogecoin. It's an ISO 20022 compliant token used in enterprise-grade systems. When traders FOMO in on short pumps, they're ignoring that 90% of XRP moves are liquidity grabs. Example, XRP 2024 pump from 55 cents to 73 cents, then dumped to 49 cents within 2 days. Volume showed institutional sell-off while retail bought tops. Mistake 2. No volatility adjusted position sizing. XRP has an average true range, ATR, of 4 to 6% daily. That means your position size must be adjusted, or you're overexposing your capital. Tip: use the formula max position size equals account risk $ / stop loss in percent x ATR percent. Example: you risk $100, stop loss is 5%, ATR is 4%. Max size equals $500 trade. Mistake 3. Ignoring US market open timing. XRP volatility spikes between 8:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, aligning with US equity market opens. Smart traders wait for US volume confirmation before placing entries. Chart example: overlay XRP price and SPY, SP500 ETF, show correlation. Section 2. The fix. A proven XRP trading strategy. Now let's fix the problem. Here's a simple yet highly effective system tailored for XRP, used by real traders and hedge funds alike. System: the structure break plus retest method. Based on price action plus market structure. Backtested by TradingHub.io on XRP/USDT, 2023 to 2025. Step 1. Identify key support/resistance zones. Use the daily time frame. Look for zones tested 3+ times. Step 2. Wait for a break of structure, boss. Price must close above resistance with volume. Step 3. Look for retest entry. Entry only on pullback to broken zone. Add confluence with 21 EMA or bullish engulfing candle. Step 4. Place stop loss target. Stop below zone. Target 1. Recent swing high. Target 2. 2x risk reward. Real example. XRP broke 57 cents resistance, retested, rallied to 64 cents in March 2025. Use open interest data from CoinGlass plus Binance Futures to detect fake breakouts versus real momentum. Rising OI plus rising price equals real breakout. Section 3. Stop letting emotions dictate trades. Let's talk psychology, the final frontier of trading. 80% of losses come from one decision: overreacting emotionally. What to do instead? Build a pre-trade checklist. Only trade when 3 out of 4 confluences align. Trend direction, volume confirmation, structure, support, risk, reward, setup, daily trading routine. Analyze XRP plus BTC.D plus DXY at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pre-market planning. First trade window 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. No trades after 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Low volume chop. Section 4. Final truth. XRP whales trade differently. Here's what nobody's telling you. XRP whales don't day trade like you. They accumulate during fear and distribute during hope. December 2024. XRP at 48 cents. Wallets holding 10M plus XRP increased by 18%. Source: Sentiment. Distribution example. April 2025. XRP at 72 cents. Same wallets dropped 11% holdings before price crashed to 56 cents. What to learn? Track whale wallets, on-chain data, fade retail euphoria. Follow smart money footprints. Now you know the truth. Most XRP traders lose because they chase noise, not knowledge. But today, you've gained an edge: structure, timing, risk control, and psychology. If you apply this, you're already ahead of 90% of the market. If you don't, well, you already know how that ends. Like this video if you learned something real. Subscribe if you're ready to trade smarter in 2025, not harder.